And we are going to pick a smaller amount. You know what, keep in mind, you can definitely add some more if you feel like you need it more. And you can see that it's really cool in a thick density. This is work with all flat back and with some 3D. But if you want to do like extremely 3D, there are the extra thick condensed glue gel that your formulas is way thicker. So then that way it's hold down to your big pieces of centerpiece, which is a flat backs or also a 3D. So I really like this one also. But hey, I like that. I like this one too. Maybe you should do this one. Okay, let's see. So I have so many ideas in here. And I also have these flowers I really want to do. I love this flower so much. So many choices. Let's do this one, because I promised with all of you that I'm doing that one last video. And everybody looking forward to seeing it. And I'm looking forward to see it as well. So I am go ahead and apply the floating the no wipe top coat. Don't forget the top coat right on the top, and don't clear the condensed glue gel yet. So between your the condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat, it's going to like really grab the base of your crystals and keep it stay in one place. All talking about this is centerpiece, the big centerpiece, like the really acute centerpiece kits. This is like so big. Is including in there that you have your triple thick condensed glue gel. This is regular, so I'm gonna wipe off the residue later. I'm not worried about it now. I'm gonna wipe it off later. I'm gonna use it. So now you see that how I started with, I'm starting with the centerpiece first, and I'm gonna place any of the shape. So this one in the second, the crystal glow in the dark crystal kit number 2, which is their sister. And I'm going to place this beauty right there. This is the glove crystal, which is, I'm so happy with this. Is so cute though. There are like come with the sub box this month, as well as the starter kits on the new arrival as well, that I have a gloves crystal. It's a lot of more color, but if you want to test it out and check it out, it's one color. There are sub box that have this. I have the yellow. I should use it yellow, but it's happened, I don't know why. Oh, last nails, the yellows I received this month. I'm so excited. You can use yellows, and then a lot of you, I see you get pink, you get green, dark green, light green, purple. Is so beautiful. Enjoy with this sub box, because I'm so excited. I have yellow, so I'm gonna use a frame. Okay, and you can go on and on if you want to. Okay, you don't have to stop right here. It's, you can like using the frame and go on and on. You don't have to. That's it. And then you just make sure that you are placing every single crystal or frame, you are place them really connect together. They look like a chain, but different, like if different pattern. And as long as you get them really close and tight together, they will not go anywhere but stay in your nails until whenever you are going to remove those beauty. That's it. I'm just going to add 2. It's make it quick, simple, and super easy, and it's so beautiful as well. So I'm going to wipe off on the edges and cure this beauty for 60 seconds. All right. Hello, baby.